In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use UI kits in Figma. If you are new to UI kits, think of them as ready-made collections of components, styles, and patterns, designed to help you build consistent interfaces faster. They save time, reduce rework, and help teams stay aligned with a shared visual language. First, go to Figma. You can use the desktop app or a browser. The experience is essentially the same. Once Figma is open, make sure you are looking at the design workspace. At the top of the interface, you'll see tabs like Design, Prototype, and Inspect. Click Design so you are in the right place to work with components and styles. Depending on your plan, there are different ways to add a kit. Today, I'll show you the libraries method, which is best suited for paid plans and team environments where shared assets are managed centrally. Start by opening your design file. This can be an existing project where you want to apply the kit or a fresh file if you are starting something new. On the left sidebar, switch from the Layers view to the Assets tab. The Assets tab is where Figma gathers reusable components from your file and from any libraries you've enabled. It's the control center for pulling in systemized UI elements instead of rebuilding them from scratch. Look for the libraries icon at the top of the Assets panel. It looks like a small book. Click it to open the Libraries modal. This window lists the libraries available to you based on your workspace, team, and permissions. It's also where you manage which libraries are connected to your current file. Use the search bar to find the UI kit you want. For example, you might search for something like iOS 18, but you can enter the exact name your team uses. Once you see the kit in the list, click Add to File. This links the library to your current document, making its components and styles available right away in the Assets tab. If you ever need to confirm it's connected, reopen the libraries modal and you'll see the kit marked as added. If the kit doesn't appear in search, double-check that you have access to it and that you are in the correct workspace. Remember, availability can depend on your plan and permissions, and naming can vary between teams. That's it. You've connected a UI kit through libraries, so you can confidently design with consistent, high-quality components while staying aligned with your team's standards.